Hello there, everybody. This is Force Weaver, your dear cleric, and I welcome you all to the Zenless Zone Zero Vivian character teaser when birds sing. Okay, so this should be pretty short and sweet. Get to learn more about Vivian's backstory. The teasers, from what I recall, are usually a little bit more emotional and a little bit more relevant to the character's backstory. So, and given what we know of Vivian and her prophetic visions, this should be pretty heartbreaking. So let's get into this, shall we? Yep, Oilverse. Oh, the Zoetrope. Mm-hmm. Oh, I love this art style. Oh, is that like young Vivian? Huh? Is that like your mom? Oh. Oh, I love this aesthetic. Shed no tears. Oh, I saw Hugo in the right there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that is young Vivian. Oh, so sad. Hmm. It was his faith, then I assume. Mm-hmm. Oh. Shows steady determination. Wait. Yeah. Mockingbird. Oh. Mm-hmm.
How dare you tarnish Phaethon's name? Unforgivable. Be gone.
Oh. Okay, that was really short and sweet. I really did like the sort of symbolism in like the comic panels there, or like the animation. That's so nice, like the very storybook esque. Yeah, then we had like this zoetrope thing that I saw. Like it was not like only in like her umbrella with the various things of the bird, but also in her a W engine. I think also kind of like does this sort of thing where it has like a bird flapping. I'm gonna try to see if I can go through some of these things to see if I can pick up on anything. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this is like her powers here. What's with the stars in them? I think no. Okay, I thought that was Hugo because of like the purple silhouette, but no. See, that's just a person with a knife. Sickness, fire. Hmm. Interesting. These certain people. That's Bearthyron. I don't think these are anybody specific. More Thyrans. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Interesting. I can't really see any specific details in here. These are just Pegasi, but they're breaking their chains. Huh. This implies that Vivian is quite young when this happened. When we supposedly got introduced, she got introduced to Phaethon. I don't know if that's possible, is it? I don't know. Mhm. Donuts, I think doing deliveries. So this is like an old job, I guess? Mm-hmm. Shows his silent determination. Was she also a ballet dancer? Interesting. So it seems like she came from a pretty well-off family if she was able to do these sort of things.
I will shine even brighter.
Hmm.
I will get closer to them.
This is her, I guess, doing like starting the Mockingbird thing because like she's opening a safe here. I think got crosshairs, and that's when she got her umbrella too. Was she some sort of sniper?
A bunch of imposters. How dare you tarnish Phaethon's name? Unforgivable.
Okay, so she encountered some counterfeit Phaethon people. I wonder when. I'm sure there's probably plenty of those. But anyway, yes, that was all pretty fun and interesting. Vivian is so cool. I know I'm gonna pull her when she comes out in like a week or so. Ugh, right now I only have like 35 pulls to my name, but with the new Deadly Assault, I should hopefully get some more. But anyway, yes. If you guys enjoy me reacting to the ZZZ trailers and all that stuff, please like and subscribe to get ready for some more. Yeah. I thank you all for watching and have a nice day.